Are you ready for the biggest drops? Here are the top hidden offers live on Flipkart right now. Stick around to see them all. Get ready for the lowest prices of the week with 0% interest days. Upgrade your tech setup now with brand new laptops, tablets, and headphones on zero-interest EMI. Upgrade your workspace with sleek and stylish ASUS AIO during ASUS AIO days from 25th to July 29th. Get it starting at just Rs 46.66 per month with up to 12 months no-cost EMI and 0% interest days. Upgrade your audio with incredible deals on top headphone brands like Sony and Sennheiser, starting from just Rs 19 per day with 0% interest days. Get the Samsung Galaxy S9 starting from just Rs 3,833 per month. Plus, enjoy a massive Rs 18,000 off using See Me with 0 interest days. Pre-order the new Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 and Ultra 2 starting at just Rs 1,125 per month with 0% interest days. Upgrade your gaming setup today with the Sony Gaming Controller, available now starting from just Rs 207 per month with 0% interest days. Upgrade your content creation game today with top vlogging cameras from DJI, Sony, and more. Get yours now with 0% interest starting from just Rs 4,583 per month. Upgrade your tech today with Chromebooks from ASUS, HP, and more, starting at just Rs 1,495 per month with 0% interest days. Get ready for the launch of the segment's slimmest and lightest Motorola Moto Pad 70 on August 8th with 5G connectivity. Stay tuned for more updates. Find all the links in the description below. Subscribe for more deals.